Namaste students, Khush Raho Betiya. I JVN Dr. Y. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the mode of response. Okay, that means the oral response and a written assessment. Okay, and the selected response test. So first, oral response and a written assessment. When we say oral response, the student oral response are longer and more complex, parallel to the extended written response questions. Okay, that means just as we extended the written response, one evaluates the quality of the oral response using the score grade. Okay, or longer maybe complicated response would occur, for example, during oral examination or a oral presentation. Okay, so certain things may be complex, simple, and there may be a scoring guide. So how to given a score on that particular aspect. So written assessment are activity in which the student select or compose a response to a prompt. Okay, so in most cases, the prompt consists of printed materials like a brief question, a collection of historical documents, or a graph, or a tabular, or a table, or a combination of this. Okay, or a however, here you can see the object or an event or an experiences. Okay, related to that, there may be a question. Okay, so student response are usually produced on demand. That is, respondent does not write the specific time within a fixed amount of time they have to write that. Okay, this construct contribute to the standardization of a testing condition. That means they have to write the answer within a stipulated time. These construct contribute their standardization of a test, which increase the comparability of the result across the student of a group, or where we can understand between in assessment. Okay, when we select response test, that means selected response tests are so named because the student read a relatively brief opening statements called as like a stem and select one of the alternative of the correct answer. That means selected response tests are typically made up of multiple choice, true false, or matching the items. Okay, so these may be a selected response test where they have to select the particular aspect. Okay, so the quite often the three items here may be the single test or the selected response test are sometimes here called as the objective test because they have simple set of scoring systems. If alternative b of the multiple choice its key or correct response, then the choose the alternative d. That means regardless of how much the teacher wanted the student to be right. Okay, so here advantage is there that here the selected response test is efficiency. A teacher can ask many questions in a short period of time. And another advantage, it is easy and reliable of scoring with the aiding a score template. Okay, such as multiple choice questions as a whole bunch of where answers correct answers are located, or many tests can be quickly and uniformly scored. Okay, so at the same way, disadvantage is also there because the item is reflected on the lower level, or uh, so the teacher made tests are composed of entirely of the knowledge level, or maybe as a result of the student focus on a particular or memorizing a particular aspect of that. Okay, next is the supply or response test. That means fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the word bank or another maybe matching at the lower cognitive level. That means here the position of in the blank at the end of the statement. That means that poor item or a better item is there. Okay, or how can you do that, or the position of the blanks at the end of the statement. Okay, should be there. The statements should not be used. That means the beginning should not be with the dash. Okay. Second rule is limit of the number of blanks in a statement. That means the poor blanks should, if blanks are more, then it is not the good form of a question. It should have a single blank. Okay. Then rule number 3, keeping blanks at the same length. Okay. That means you have to keep the blanks of equal length while preparing the questions also. Third is the short answer type questions. Short answer types question means the characteristic, or instead of selecting from one or more alternatives, the student is asked to supply with a brief answering the consisting of the name, face, words or a symbol. Okay. That means gives us short answer types questions which can be quickly and accurately with consistency can be given the answers. Okay. Here the advantage of here we can measure the primary fundamental knowledge. The advantages of short answer type questions are items are relatively easy to write, test and can fairly quickly constructed. Okay. Since the student are supplied with the answers or recognizing the information. Okay. Disadvantages is selecting the response item, because here also very short verbatim answers are there, so the level may be provide no information about how well the student can use the having learned or application level of the score. Okay. Then the essay test, that means the characteristic here, the students is given with somewhat general directives to discuss or one or more response of a criteria, comparing an operant conditions, theories and informations where the assumption or the research findings in a classrooms or a application. That means here the advantages is there. The essay type question reveals how the student can recall, organize and clearly communicate the previous learned information. Okay. That means it also reveals the clear cut recalling ability or organizing the particular answer in a systematic way and the clear communication of the previous learned concept. Okay. And the disadvantage is it is two student may not be essentially similar response or receive the numerical grade here because of the time consuming to grade or the ability to express the information in a proper way. Okay. So it again, as we have seen here, the different types of response like oral response, some oral response and written examinations. Okay. And selected test response, how it is worked, what are the advantage, disadvantage, short answer type questions and long answer essay type questions, and the overcome, how to overcome that situations where the students is having a weak or having a learning disability. So as a teacher it is the responsibility to overcome these situations and to make the student understand more in a particular concept, and how they can overcome and what are the actual lacuna they are going to behind. Maybe they are not able to give better performance in the essay type or in the short answer type questions or in a selected response test. Okay. So it's again a um, part of analyzing how assessment of the students to be assessed in a way where they can be enhanced or improved in particular aspect of their learning as they. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Namaste.